what's in a name. Today we'll be making some malpua. With Diwali approaching, I thought this is the perfect time for this recipe. So let's begin and make some malpua.
So let us start with our ingredients. We'll be needing maida. We'll be needing roasted or bhuni suji or rava. We'll also be needing some milk. We'll need some water, some sugar, some cardamom or elaichi powder. In case you don't have it, you can make it at home. Then you'll be needing saffron or kesar. This is only for chashni or the syrup. It's optional. And finally, you'll be needing ghee to fry your malpua in. I'll not be adding kesar to my chashni, but I have kept it in the ingredients list because you can add it if you want to. First, we'll take 400 ml of milk and we'll reduce it to a little more than half. Take a wok or kadhai and add 400 ml of milk in it. Keep it on sim and keep stirring. It'll take about 10 to 15 minutes to get it reduced to a little more than half. So here, as you can see, we have reduced it to 250 ml. Next, we'll be needing 100 grams of maida. And we'll also be needing 50 grams of rava or suji. We'll be needing roasted suji. Both suji and maida are to be mixed. I have mixed them and now I'll transfer them to a bigger bowl. To this mixture, we'll be adding our reduced milk. We'll add it slowly and we'll also ensure that there are no lumps. This is what our suji, maida and milk mixture will look like. You can check again, there should be no lumps. Now we'll let it rest for 3 hours. And while it is resting, we'll prepare our chashni or sugar syrup. For chashni, we'll need 100 grams of sugar. And we'll be needing 100 ml of water. So we'll be using equal amount of sugar and water. Take a pan, add water to it. Next we'll be adding sugar. And we'll be adding some cardamom powder. Cardamom powder is about 1/4 teaspoon. Now if you want, you can add saffron. Mix everything well and cook it on sim for about 10-15 minutes till the sugar dissolves. You might think that this is very less quantity of chashni, but this is enough for our quantity of malpuas which we'll be making. It has been 15 minutes now and our chashni is ready. One way to check if it is ready or not is put it on a plate. If you see, it is thick and not very runny. So it has been 3 hours and our batter of malpua is rested. It should be of this consistency. If it is not, you can add some more milk. Because the malpuas will be deep fried, you'll be requiring 250 ml of ghee for frying them. For frying malpuas, take a wok or kadhai and once it is heated, add ghee to it. When the ghee is also warm, or heated, we'll start adding our batter in the form of disc. These are our malpuas. We'll deep fry them. We'll fry them on medium for about 4 minutes and then we'll turn and fry them again. We'll need our malpuas golden in color. Now that one side is done, we'll flip and cook the other side also. The ghee would be very hot now, so you can change the temperature to sim. As you can see, both the sides are cooked properly. They are golden now. Now we'll take them off ghee and let them soak in some chashni or the syrup. So we are taking them out and we'll put in the next batch of our malpua in. Now we'll be adding our malpuas to the chashni. We'll let it soak in the chashni till the next batch is ready and then we'll take these off and soak the next batch in it. Our malpuas are ready. You can serve them as is now. I prefer them with some rabdi. So I'll be topping them off with some rabdi. Now we'll cool them in fridge for about an hour or so. And they are ready to be enjoyed.
The malpuas I have made are small in size. You can make some big malpuas as well, but personally I find them a little difficult to divide and serve among people. So I have made mine relatively smaller. Also, the rabdi that I have made is not sweet because the malpua is already doused in some chashni or sugar syrup. So adding sweet rabdi to an already sweet malpua will make it more sweet. I really hope you enjoyed the video and that you'll be making malpua yourself this Diwali. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you all later. Bye.